Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your gallery on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the My Gallery option at the home screen, and here you can find your drawings, and if you want to set another new canvas, click to the plus icon at the upper right corner of the screen. You can set the size and click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.